Hi guys, this is Jonathan from S.A.S. Trio, the first S, and today I'm going to show you how to make a paper boat that looks similar to this, but not exactly.
Not that. It looks much better than this. We just accidentally,
Yeah, I think
we got a bad paper, let's just say that.
Yeah, I think I already got some too. Whatever. Well, I guess that's all I have to say for now, I guess, so I better get started. Okay, so now you want to fold it like this. Okay, sorry, last like this, and then fold it like that. And then after you do this, unfold to where you get this, and definitely I make sure it's like the flap is like this when you do this. See? Nice and smoothing it out. You must smoothen it out. And same with this one. Okay, and after that you get the bottom flap, but it must be the bottom where this comes out too, and just like that. And if you want, I guess you could fold corners. Okay, and also same thing with the back. This flap. And same thing, fold. See, look at that. That looks nice, but of course I'm not even close to being done. And yep, this is basically how it looks. So now after you do this, you're definitely gonna want to do. Hold on. You're definitely gonna want to do this. So look, open it up. This and look at that. That looks so cool. Okay, well. And fold it like that. I don't know why. Okay, now get this flap. Okay, sorry, make sure you have a good paper also. Well, I guess it doesn't depend on the paper, but yeah.
I guess it kind of depends the way you fold it.
Yeah, it actually does. Truth is, it really actually depends on the way you fold it.
I mean, if you're like good at folding,
okay, I guess, so yes, after you do this, you definitely also go to the back. Look at that, and same thing. Wow, I think I chose a hard paper, but whatever. And look at that. That looks so nice. Then after you do that, so wait, hold on, sorry, my fault. You look at that, open it up again, and go like this. When you get these two flaps, open it up like that. Whoa. Well, yeah, sorry it looks crappy now, but
okay, trust me, it's supposed to look much better. It's just the reason is, I guess,
chose a bad paper. Whatever, look, I guess you could say this one looked a lot better, so I don't know why I did that. This is how it should come out. If you chose a better paper, it should look a lot better than this, and if you fold right, well, if you fold goodly and always smoothing out those edges, I think you'll have it just fine. Well, yeah, that was a short video, and I tried to make it short. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to S.A.S. Trio, and subscribe to Matthew and Jonathan, too. Hi, Matthew.
Hi.
Yeah, Matthew's filming. He's awesome.
Yeah.
And like the video, if you enjoyed it, we're probably going to do more, like how to make a paper airplane and normal arts and crafts stuff.
Like
and this is our first video on how to make stuff. Okay, well, anyways, thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.